So this is a rechargeable thatching machine. I have actually never seen one of these before. I did not know they had it. And it seems to be doing a pretty darn good job. It's got springs underneath there. And one of the tips is, if your lawn is extremely hard, like in July, or if you're having a hot June, water your lawn a little bit first. And but as you can see, let me step over here. It has taken a fair amount out and it's actually got down to the soil here. What I'm going to do today is aerate, seed, fertilize, and put on some soil amendment for this gentleman. But I showed up on my job site, and my client here is using one of these electric thatching machines here. And this is what he's taken out of his lawn so far. So for an inexpensive little home jobber, that's lightweight, easy to use, doesn't have a gas-powered motor on it, so there's not much maintenance, you know. I think that's extremely reasonable. And, you know, I thatch lawns for a living. And